Looking for smarter, faster way to collaborate with your team? Google Sheets make real-time teamwork effortless. Whether you're managing a project, tracking sales, or analyzing data, everyone can stay on the same page. No more endless email threads, no more version confusion. With Google Sheets, your data updates instantly, anytime, anywhere. But here is the best part. You can control who see what, who can edit specific parts of your sheet. Want to lock formula so it doesn't get changed? Need to allow only your manager to edit a budget section? Google Sheets has your back. Just go to data. Okay, as you see here, we have a table of data using. So we can protect the sheet or range as you see, and set permission. I set the permission only me, so I'm only person who can change the data on the sheet. I can remove this lock as you see. Now we can lock the sheet. Okay, so we can here lock the sheet and accept certain cells. So for example, I can lock the headers and make the team can change some specific cells in the sheet, or I can make custom users who can only change, like your manager, your one of the colleagues, or the head of department. And here we can remove the protection. The second thing, to protect specific port in the sheet, as you see here, we can protect range, and we can set permission if only me or custom users like colleague or manager or head of department. So if you like this video, you can subscribe and like and share it.